So this topic today, which I'm going to discuss or challenge, is a pretty difficult one to digest. Let's go step by step here on. Being rich may not give you happiness, or being rich is not equals to more happiness. There's a process involved in that. The process lies in that you have to be more grounded as you grow in life, or you have to be grounded all the time when you are growing in life, and you have to have these right set of things which makes you happy. It might be spending time with kids, helping people in need, setting up new projects which can enhance your impact and value addition in the system. Like my guru, my mentor, is almost like at 15,000 crore rupees now, and he started from ground zero, and I've got an opportunity to learn a lot from him. So what he has done, even after developing so much of wealth, he is not attached to anything. He says, I have hundreds of cars. You name any car in the world, I have almost all of them. But still, I'm in such a content state that if I lose my life now, I'll be okay. I have zero regrets. This is one part of it. The second part of it, he was always from ground zero, so he wanted to help more people to build up. So what he does is, out of his own time, he spend 2 hours on weekends on a particular day and give guidance and inputs and advice to people who are having a struggle in their business journey. So people usually come to a place, they have mentioned a place there, or they've set it up, where people come and take advice. Ki, sir, my money is stuck here, my things are not moving, what I can do. So he do a 2 hour free advising work to the people who are in a struggling phase, and with his suggestion they can pretty grow well. And similarly many other reasons. One more reason he shared in his journey is, one time when daughter came in and she was not doing well in terms of, she was into coma, and her father was like his neighbor and was not so well off, and his father told that, sir, my daughter, uh, daily expenditures are almost like, the medical thing is almost like 50,000 rupees a day, and I'm not able to bear it even after selling my home. And what he did is, he, out of his compassion, he told that, today, from today, your daughter is my daughter, and I will set up everything and I will take care of her. And obviously, she got well in 3 to 4 days with the blessings of God, and he was able to recover the lady in a very short period of time. But I guess you can understand that there was always a higher purpose. So when you become a billionaire, it is not just you have to be money focused. I heard a few days back, there was a guy in our known, who's very hungry about money. He's making millions of dollars every day. Like, he gets checks and checks like anything. But the point is, this may not serve you for a higher purpose. This can go for a while. This can go for years, 10 years and 15 years. But there will be a time where you need your family members, where you need a society system, where you need an impact system or a higher purpose in life, which can drive you more. So my challenge for you all today is, just reflect on what keeps you more happy. Write down at least 10 things which can keep you happy without money, and have those things lifelong. As you build up your own economy, wealth. Obviously, wealth is very, very important game. If you have more, it is always great. You can make more impact. But having these 10 items which can keep you happy is a great thing. So the task for today is, write down those 10 things which you can do for lifelong, and stay awesome. Keep rocking.